I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. This is an outline. It's also the name of a view in Microsoft Word, one that lets you organize your thoughts in a hierarchical manner. The outline view uses Word's preset heading styles to organize information. And it can be viewed easily in print layout or normal view, as well as outline view. This is a multi-level list. It's not an outline, but rather a paragraph numbering and indentation format. The items in the list appear in a hierarchical structure, and you can add new items which appear at the same level, same paragraph format, but new numbering. Delete items which also renumbers lines, but this list isn't easily reformatted, and therein lies the rub. Let me create a quick list with some categories. So, fruit and meat, there's your list, 2 items. Select them, and on the Home tab, in the paragraph group, choose a multi-level list style. Now, they all work the same, they just have different wee little numbers. This is the default, I'll choose it. Behold the basics of a list. Now, at this point, it looks just like a numbered list, but it's different. So under fruit, I'm going to add a new blank line. It's numbered automatically, and the rest of the list, 1 item, is renumbered. Tab to indent this new item. It's at a new sub-level, item A. So I'm going to type bananas, grapes, and melons. And under melons, I'm going to add a new line and tab it in. Little I, watermelon, and honeydew. Now, always have at least 2 subcategories, or you really don't have a subcategory. And on another new line, I'm going to press Shift-Tab to back up a level, and then Shift-Tab again to go to the main level, and add vegetables. And then after meat, I'm going to press Enter, Tab to create subcategories, cow, pig, chicken. You set the indent before you type the line. That's the big tip here. So Tab to indent 1 level in a multi-level list, and Shift-Tab to unindent, but these 2 keystrokes only work when you put the toothpick cursor at the start of a line. So I'm going to change the indent level. I'm going to move the cursor to the start of a line. Tab, you see how it's demoted a level, and then everything else is renumbered. And now Shift-Tab to promote it a level. The other items in the list are all renumbered and jiggled around as you adjust. Now to move an item in the list, you use the Alt-Shift-Up arrow combination, and the paragraph moves up, and the numbering all changes and so on. And then to move a paragraph down, you use Alt-Shift-Down, and it moves down, and the automatic renumbering takes place. Now these commands, the Alt-Shift commands, are standard paragraph moving commands, and they're also available in outline view and print layout view and all the other views. They just move paragraphs. These keyboard shortcuts provide the best way to manipulate a multi-level list. If you try to use any other keys or edit or copy and paste, things can get screwy quickly. So stick to these and you can work your multi-level list. At some point you might want to consider an outline, but as always, my advice is to write first and format later. Check out my Word books for more details.